In. We use in when something is inside a space. Examples: the book is in the bag. My sister is in the room. The milk is in the fridge. So remember, anything inside a box, bag, room, or car, use in. On. We use on when something is on top of a surface and touching it. Examples: the laptop is on the table. The phone is on the desk. The picture is on the wall. Anything touching a flat surface, use on. At. We use at when we talk about a specific point or location. Examples: meet me at the gate. She is waiting at the bus stop. I am at the entrance. Specific points, use at. Under. We use under when something is directly below another thing. Examples: the cat is under the table. The shoes are under the bed. Below. We use below when something is lower than another but not necessarily directly under. Examples: our office is below the restaurant. The temperature is below 0. Over. We use over when something is directly above, sometimes covering it. Examples: she put a blanket over the baby. There is a bridge over the river. Above. We use above when something is higher than but not touching. Examples: the fan is above my head. The painting is above the sofa. Between. We use between when something is in the middle of two things. Examples: the ball is between the shoes. The school is between the bank and the hospital. Among. We use among when something is in the middle of three or more things. Examples: she is among her friends. The house is among the trees. Next to / beside both mean immediately at the side of something. Examples: the shop is next to the bank. I sat beside my friend. Near. We use near to show close to but not necessarily next to. Examples: the school is near the park. There is a bus stop near my house. Behind. We use behind when something is at the back of something. Examples: the cat is behind the chair. The garden is behind the house. In front of. We use this when something is ahead or facing something else. Examples: I am standing in front of the door. The car is in front of the house. Opposite. We use opposite when something is facing another thing. Examples: the bank is opposite the school. She is sitting opposite me. Across. We use across when something is on the other side of a space. Examples: the shop is across the street. He ran across the field. Along. We use along when something is moving beside or following a line or path. Examples: we walked along the river. The trees are planted along the road. Around. We use around when something surrounds or moves in a circle. Examples: children are playing around the park. She put a fence around the garden. Great job! You've learned how to describe where things are and how to talk about their positions clearly. Remember, practice every day by looking around and making simple sentences. It will make your English sound natural and easy to understand. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and simple English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.